Hi everybody, Malik the Magic Guy with ExpertVillage.com. Now that you've learned how to basically twist the balloon, we're going to learn some of the twists that will hold it together. So the first one is called a loop twist or a fold twist. There's two ways to do it, and I'm going to show you both of them. Now you're going to take a balloon with some room at the end, because right now we're just going to learn how to do a basic twist. You're going to hold it in whatever hand you need to. If you've watched the basic twisting, then you'll know that. You're going to start by twisting here. Okay, this is one way to do it. Then you're going to twist a little further down and hold those together like that. Half, and you twist the two ends of it together like this. That makes a loop in the balloon, like that. Okay. Now this can be a pair of ears on a dog. We can put two of these together. We'll talk about that later, and make two loopy ears. You can also make a fold twist or a loop twist just by folding the balloon and then squeezing and twisting like this. So you should practice whichever one of those makes it more comfortable for you, and you can go along and actually make these at different spots in the balloon. Like if you fold a little further down like this, you make another loop twist. You can fold here and make another loop twist, and that actually makes a very basic dog just out of loop twists. So we'll be talking more about different ways to twist the balloon a little later.